Studies show when customers are forced to wait longer than 60 seconds, they hang up and call back. No one would voluntarily give up their place in line. So, why do people hang up when they're on hold with a customer hotline? 5 to 8 times on average. The call volume rises, the percentage of calls handled drops, and ultimately, the customer experience suffers. And this is a major problem for contact centers. It's time to learn more about ServiceOcean AI software. When callers are in a waiting line, ServiceOcean software takes over after 60 seconds with an optimized IVR script. With our unique A/B testing, we are able to find the best scripts for your queue. Please stay on the line. We'd like to offer you to schedule a callback at a time that's most convenient for you. ServiceOcean AI autonomously schedules calls and dynamically adapts to real-time changes, such as employee availability and fluctuating call durations. When a caller has scheduled a callback, ServiceOcean initiates a call to an agent shortly before the scheduled time using a priority incoming line. At the scheduled time, the Service Center agent is presented with the customer's number and the call to the customer. The agent then greets the customer. "Hello, this is your scheduled callback. How may I assist you today?" ServiceOcean's online scheduling eliminates unplanned calls by scheduling calls via the online module on company websites in exactly the same way. Customers simply choose a date and time, and they receive a call right on time. As for the customer, they experience a personal wow moment, resulting in a significantly enhanced and measurable customer experience. From a management perspective, ServiceOcean offers advanced functionality through its intuitive dashboard, which delivers comprehensive real-time data and valuable insights into key metrics such as callback scheduling rates, performance across specific time periods, and more. Rather than increasing headcount, the ServiceOcean software offers an 85% cost advantage. Service Center agents also benefit from the ease of handling scheduled callbacks. Day-to-day business simply continues as usual, but with more efficient conversations and happier customers. Callbacks are key. Behavioral science and AI bring the magic. ServiceOcean AI software for 100% handled calls. Just 2 days for integration, compatible with every telephone system. Get started today.